Hello friends, welcome to the Home Appliance Guru. Today we will show how our automatic machine Samsung 6.2 kg the diamond drum machine, how it works and how it cleans the cloths and what is the how to use that you will see. First we will see the inlet pipe. Okay, this inlet pipe will fix there to the tap where I have on the tap kept on the tap. Okay, so no to worry that what will not come until you will not on the machine. That machine will take automatically, and automatically it will take the water and it will shut off the water automatically. So no need to worry. You have to just tap. You have to inlet. Your inlet has to put on the tap, fix on the tap, and you can on the tap. And what we'll do is the drain pipe will put this downside. Okay, remember guys, whenever you're going to on the machine, your first duty is that drain pipe you have to put down. Okay, so we'll start the machine. Already I have kept the cloths in. Okay, we'll put some detergent on that. Here we can put the detergent. This is a detergent box. Okay, friends, I have put the detergent on this. I'll just close this detergent tray. Okay, I have put 2-3 pairs of cloths in the machine. So now we're going to start the machine. Okay, what we'll do is normally we will not use this option, this one, the normal one, because it takes so much time, guys. So no need of normal and all that, because even quick wash also can gives you a super quality. Okay, so no need go for any other option. If you want to go, you can go, but I prefer quick wash, because within few minutes it gives a super quality. So now you can see the friends, the water is automatically started to fall in the washing machine with along with the detergent. You can see that, and also you can see that water level also has taken 2. It's automatically, it will take, we no need to set for that. But 3 options are indicated, like first one is wash. Now it's is in washing mode. Next step would be rinse mode, and last step would be spin mode. And after that processing, that your washing process is complete. Now it's showing 28 minutes to wash that, to complete all the cycles. Friends, what this machine usually takes in falling the water, it takes so much time. Other than that, it's no problem. It takes some time for to fall the water. I think this machine will take 3 times, one for washing, one for rinse, one for spin. 3 times it takes water, and 3 times it drains, and then after that process that washing will complete. Once that water fill to the it's up to the second level what it's indicating, then after it start washed, then after it starts its washing process. Now you can see, friends, now the washing has started. See how the machine is rotating. Okay, and you can see that the water of the color, the dirtiness among the waters are coming out. You can see that. You can see that within for few minutes, for 10 minutes, it will rotate like that, and afterwards it drains the water. and after again it takes the water, and that this, as you see friends, now after washing for some time, for 10 minutes, it it's draining the water. See, you can see the color of the water. This is the dirtiness coming from the cloths. You can see it. Again it starts taking water after draining all the water, and it'll go to the from wash to rinse mode. As you can see, the friends, that machine is went in is gone in rinse mode. Okay, it's rinsing the cloths. It is the second step of the machine. After this rinse completed, again it will start taking water. See friends, after rinse, that again that water is going to drain. You can see that after rinse, again the water is going to drain, and again in spin mode, again it will take water, and after that it will spin. Let's see, 7 minutes remaining. See friends, the machine is in spin mode. Now it's drying the clothes. Within 5 minutes it will complete the full washing process. Wash, rinse, now spin. Finally now it's spinning. Okay, after spinning it will give the alarm. See friends, now once that displayed 0 came, means that time is over. Now the fully that now that washing machine is giving an alarm that washing process fully completed. Once if I open this this cover, means that machine will see that machine has automatically turned off. See friends, that clothes gets dried up to 80%. It's dried, and the clothes are very clean. See, that if you set that timer, that quick wash, if you go somewhere, that it automatically wash, rinse, spin everything, and it will automatically gets turned off. It's a very good feature. Friends, after once the washing process completed, here one filter is there. You can remove this filter, and after removing you can just clean this filter. See how the dust, all the dust from the cloths, the dirtiness from the cloths, you have to remove, and you have to refix the same thing in the machine. Friends, that's all for this video. Please like our channel Home Appliance Guru. Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.